5 minutes to choose the best gemology book for you around the world. I recommend this book, the book number 225, Fluid Inclusion by Edwin Roeder. This book published in 1984, 39 years ago, and 646 pages. You can know more about fluid inclusion in details. So mostly it's about more science, and then mineralogy and geology. So this book very good and have so many series. So in the Mineralogical Society of America, yeah, very good and a little bit thick, so you can know many details inside. If you want to research, if you study about inclusion, this book also good to study. So what all inside here? The first one, introduction to fluid inclusion, the origin of inclusion, and change inclusion after tapping, non-destructive method of determination of inclusion composition, destructive method of determination of inclusion composition, inclusion sample selection, separation, and petrography and photography, inclusion measurement, heating, cooling, and decryptation and crafting, and interpretation and utilization of inclusion measurement, compositional data on liquid gas inclusion, and pressure and density at tapping, and also inclusion measurement, metatability, sedimentary environment, and then low to medium grade metamorphic environment, medium to high grade metamorphic environment, intrusive rock and pegmatic environment, or deposit environment, rock volcanic environment, upper mantle environment, and an extraterrestrial environment, and future of inclusion study. Yeah, so interesting. So you can study a lot, everything inside. So this one, they show you many shape of inclusion, how you study, and then many graph and many research about that. So here, this one, crystal with NaCl from ERDA, borehole waste in isolation. Okay, in the lab, what they check and zoom inside, you can know. And after that, this one, fluid inclusion gas, and then anhydrate in salt, bond inclusion, group or semi-orient inclusion, solid inclusion here. And this one, gas inclusion in amber from Yantani, Baltic South Sea, Baltic Sea coast. Okay, here, for example. And this one, fluid inclusion containing N2CO2 mixture in dolomite and quartz. This one, inclusion to detailed photo micrograph of one inclusion from the group shown in figure. Here you can see. Photo micrograph inclusion, and this one, inclusion in different temperature. You see how it look like. And then Okay, just focus this book about fluid inclusion. Okay, mostly introduced to study of all type of inclusion, gas, liquid, and melt tablet in material from earth and space, and their application to the understanding of geologic process. Hey, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. ขอบคุณค่ะ